Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Today we're going to take you to buy a look at a new hay field or two that we picked up for this year. We're going to go look at a couple calves that my son's buying, his first time buying calves. So we're going to take y'all along with us today. It's going to be a short video. And I'd like to thank each and every one of y'all for supporting our channel. We reached 600 subscribers last night. Couldn't have done it without y'all guys. We sure do appreciate it. And let's go check out the hay field and get you a little footage of these calves that we're going to look at. There's about 25 acres. About 23 in this one field that we're standing in. It goes over that tree line, follows that tree line around, comes back up to the main highway, it comes down, and there's a fence line right there. That's one of the fields that y'all saw me cutting with my buddy's equipment in there, and across the road over there, that's my buddy's farm. These are pretty nice hay fields. They make good hay. I baled them for a guy probably about 5 years ago. It was baled for him, and it turned out good then. Just wanting to show y'all a little bit of what we working with for this year. First thing we're gonna do is get some soil samples pulled on it. Get them sent in and see what the ground's needing. And right at the edge of this field, right where I'm pointing, across a little dirt road, there's about a 3-acre field that goes with this one. Yeah, I believe we'll pull the soil samples and send them in and see what she needs to get it in good shape and get it to producing some hay. Take just a second to thank all y'all new subscribers and the older subscribers that's been with us since we started or come in whenever. We appreciate each and every one of you watching our videos, leaving us comments, giving us suggestions on how to fix stuff or how to make stuff better. Appreciate y'all coming into our live stream on Sunday nights. We do the live every Sunday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We just hang out and chat and shoot the breeze. But I sure do appreciate it, guys, and we just hit 600 subscribers. Wouldn't be possible without all y'all guys watching us and sharing it and telling other people about it. We sure do appreciate it. Hey guys, this is some 2 bull calves and a cow that we're gonna try to get loaded up and move them out. The cow's real spookish, real flighty.